Hi there, students. Duress. To use duress is to get somebody to do something by threatening them with violence. Okay? So he confessed under duress. It's to coerce, to force somebody to do something that they don't really want to do by threatening violence or other unpleasant things. To compel somebody to do something, to force them to do something. The mafia threatened his family and he helped them commit the crime under duress. The politician voted against his party because they threatened to distribute photographs of him in a compromising position. He voted against his party under duress. They used duress to make him vote in a certain way. Very often I get the feeling that adults think children will only behave under duress. They will only behave well if you threaten them. You know this phrase, the carrot and the stick? Yeah? Here's the carrot if you do this, and here's the stick if you don't. Well, the stick part is duress. Do you know what blackmail is? Well, blackmail is, if you don't give me money, I'm going to let the press know or let your wife know that you've been unfaithful to her. But you can also use blackmail as duress to get somebody to do something they don't want to do. Well, I guess they don't want to give you the money, so they are giving you the money under duress in blackmail. Okay, let's see. Duress comes from durus, Latin, hard. Okay? And let's see, what about formality of duress? I think this is ever so slightly formal, maybe a 6 out of 10. I think you could use duress in an informal conversation, but you might use because of threats, because they threatened him. Duress is certainly a good word for semi-formal or very formal frameworks, situations, okay? So, duress, the threats of force, violence, something unpleasant, something compromising, to make a person act in a way that they don't really want to act. I think maybe countries that are militarily very powerful make their neighbours agree to certain things under duress. If you don't agree to this, we'll send the army in. Yeah, that's certainly duress. So, duress, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. You see, you don't have to watch the videos under duress. You just want to watch them.